So my people big up on the cell money. I don't know what's a NEWLINK there from NEWLINK production, my people. So right about now, people, may I tell us boy, Jamaica. It thing gets serious now, people. This is not joke thing now. I want the Jamaican people them to understand this now on a serious level. NEWLINK ain't not joke thing now. NEWLINK has spread the world. I want to share the video right now, people. Share it all over the place. If you don't want to break it down and share it, anyone who want to do it. Because look at now. 31 more new cases has added to the COVID-19 in Jamaica, making it to 105 persons in Jamaica who is infected of the COVID-19 virus now, people. No joke thing. You understand? Because remember the last person, who was tested positive for this, was a person from the Portmore call center. And people then come to boom and have everything in a quarantine. When they come to boom now and run and test people and them find 31 more persons infected, tested positive for this virus. So now people, we are telling this is not joke thing. Just imagine, one person them find positive people and in the end 31 more them find. You know what I mean? So look at it. If one person have it and then come there, so it can infected the whole community, the whole place. So nothing Mr. Owens are telling someone of quarantine, stay inside. It's not joke thing, people. Abide by the rules and regulation. This is really serious, people. This COVID-19, people we have saying for say, some go old people are dead, young people, you need to check the statistics of the world. You have Google, take out on a phone and Google. Take out a little ping phone where you can go on internet and Google certain things. Or go on Wikipedia anything and Google the affected countries them by this thing and see how much people are dead. Google the age group of people are dead. Not say people from all age are dead now this thing. This is not joke thing. A time for get serious now. Me tell you that see all them old bunghead Rasta boy come and this up the police them bout walk up. Yo, you see all on the Rasta officer wanna beat them. Me ain't no joke thing, people. Beat these Rasta man. Beat them off of the street if they don't want to listen. Cause them will take you and go spread the same way. A serious thing I go on in Jamaica, people, not joke thing. Yo, in the world right now, the whole world in crisis now. Zine, the whole world. Imagine, people, we in this Caribbean country, we are very small. All of us depend on tourism in the Caribbean, right? USA is our main source of tourism to the Caribbean, and the world know that, right? USA right now have over 600,000 positive cases of COVID-19. Just today alone, them find over 26,000 people positive with COVID-19 in the US. Just today alone, they find over 2,000 people dead from COVID-19 in the US. And what y'all gonna tell me, this is a joke thing, people? A serious thing, this. People need to get more vigilant. Quarantine, turning on your yard, stay inside, listen what the government is saying. Mr. Andrew Wallace is doing his best to protect the Jamaican citizens. If you don't want to protect yourself, it's a this thing, You see, if you think they be upon where you don't want to listen, it does kill uno alone. With that, then they left, But it's because when they take, we not go spread it, go give other people. That's the saddest thing about it. We not listen, stay in on a yard. A serious thing, these people, not joke thing. I mean, I'll basically talk about Jamaican, the whole Caribbean country. In a St. Vincent, we don't need to turn on the yard. Trinidad standing on the yard, Bahamas standing on the yard, Turks and Caicos standing on the yard, Jamaica everywhere, Anguilla, Belize, Aruba, Dominica, Haiti, everywhere we need to standing on the yard. The whole of USA standing on the yard. Canada, England. This is not joke thing. COVID-19, people, it's here and not joke thing. All right now, you see that video? I'm not going to do no special editing. I'm just going to upload it just like how it is right now, people. Because this is a serious message we need to go out there. Jamaica, wanna wise up. COVID-19, it's here and it's not joke thing. Please stay safe, secure in yourself, secure in your family. Turn on a yard. And if you don't understand turn on a yard, stay inside your house. Stay inside your yard. Don't go outside. Quarantine. You understand? Isolate yourself. You know that? Think a joke, my God.